Buying the right off-brand filament can be a hit or miss. We've been invited by Nevsbye to try out their filaments, and we're very glad we did. We were going to just make a short, but the 2 rolls they allowed us to pick and then sent to us deserve a bit more attention. So thanks for letting us put your filaments to the test. We chose the Bronze PLA and their Matte PLA to do our in-house comparison.
We shared half of each roll to allow Clay and Mandy to surprise us with what they wanted to print at home on their X1 Carbon. I'll admit, I'm super jealous of what they decided to print in the bronze. But Jill and I decided to print a Viking statue, and I'm very happy with the results. The Matte PLA models we both picked were similar, yet enough to have a set, and they turned out great as well. The Viking that we printed was clean, and it took very little effort to remove any tree supports. We printed with a 0.4 nozzle at 0.2 layer height on our Creality K2+, and here's what everyone had to say about the bronze filament from Nevsbye. This guy is screaming Viking / Buddha buddy. I want to rub his belly because, but I tell you, the color on this thing is absolutely incredible. I know there are fans of Vikings, especially heavy-set Vikings. It's a thing.
He mostly reminds me of the dwarf guy from Lord of the Rings. The detail in that is fantastic also. That model has great detail in it.
Now, Clay and Mandy printed this headphone / gaming controller holder, and man, it is just awesome. It looks unbelievable, and we all want to keep it, but we're getting ready for another market fair, and we're going to sell this one, but we'll make more when things calm down. This gaming holder is the best one that we've seen, and it came from STL Flicks, where we maintain a commercial license.
The print is beautiful. There's, it's good detail. All the supports popped off cleanly. There's no real problems as far as any kind of spaghetti or anything like that. So, yeah, it's really nice. It was a great print. I'd buy that.
They also printed this small goblet, and it's deceiving because it looks like it would be heavy, but it only weighs 34 grams.
For the matte PLA, we used the macaron matte, and Nevsbye advertises a velvety matte with invisible layer lines. Well, they were right. We love printing in matte for this very reason, and their macaron resulted in an amazing non-reflective surface, just as our bamboo mats. This feels like a very high-end filament. We found these models on Maker World, so obviously we won't be selling these, but they look great on a shelf.
The first house that Jill and I printed on the X1 Carbon provided amazing results, but one thing to keep in mind is if you want a more rapid color shift, you have to print either more on one tray or larger items because the transitions are a bit far from each other when printing smaller items. We printed our first house and were disappointed at only one color change, but then accidentally broke the chimney while removing support. So in order for Clay and Mandy to have the other half, we limited ourselves to a smaller model. Lesson learned.
So this wasn't on Nevsbye, but a bit of user error. Clay and Mandy's house, which seemed around the same scale, got 4 colors, while we only got 3. Their colors are still great, but a more rapid change variation in their lineup would be very welcomed.
With all the newer printers being released today, you would think that the cardboard spools would just go away due to the amount of AMSs and CFSs and multiple filament changers. So we were happy to see that they use plastic spools that just work. We like how they're smooth, glossy, and snag-free. I might even use these to re-spool some of the cardboard spools that we have.
As for filament costs, they are on par with everyone's pricing strategy. Since we like the matte filaments, if you buy 5, you're paying $17.19 per roll, where you will normally pay $19.99 per roll. If you pick up 10, you pay $16.99 per roll. As for the bronze, it costs $23.99, so buying 5 will drop each roll to $21.59. So if this fits your budget, we approve the quality of their product. They have a myriad of colors, and we look forward to picking up more to help our 3D printing business. We will provide a link in the description so you can browse their lineup of high-quality filaments.
We love filament, as you can tell, and have used numerous different filaments. This is high on the list for quality, smoothness, and consistent layers, and we will most certainly be ordering more from Nevsbye in the future. We are currently getting ready for the Northwest Florida Rodeo, which is a 3-day event, so as you can imagine, preparation is in full effect. We ask that you stay tuned after hitting that subscribe button, and we will be sharing our full experience for this massive event taking place the 2nd through the 4th of October.
If you appreciate this video, please hit the like button on your way out. And again, thanks for the support of our channel. See you in the next video and have a great day.